Show in New York City. Just going to talk to you about the 3 new 5th generation printers from Makerbot and a little bit about the Makerbot digitizer that was released a couple months ago. So here we have the new Makerbot replicator. Maybe a little confusing. We've gone replicator 1 and 2, getting rid of the numbers, and this is kind of the reintroduction of the replicator brand for us. It's sort of the successor to the Replicator 2 that came out over a year ago. It's got a lot of new improvements, including a new smart extruder that can detect clogs and if you're running out of filament. It also helps with leveling. There's a new glass build plate that works really well with the PLA filament that we use to do all of our printing. And it has Wi-Fi enabled printing and cloud-based printing. We kind of walk through our booth. This is actually a bunch of our studio prints from our in-house Makerbot studio. A bunch of talented designers that do most of the stuff that you see printed from Makerbot or at shows or anything that we're involved with in the future. Over here we have the new Makerbot Replicator Mini desktop printer. A lot of the new improvements that went into the new replicator are also in the Mini as well. In fact, all of our 5th generation printers use the same technology. They're kind of just different sizes. So the Mini we think will be our most accessible and consumer friendly model. We also think it'll be a great choice for elementary schools and small kids. That's actually the reason why the Mini has these panels and doors on them, because we don't want small hands getting inside. But one-touch printing on the Mini, easy, simple, and fast. Try to keep everything as nuts and bolts as possible on the Mini, so more people can get used to 3D printing and get into the technology. Over here, we have, all the way around. Over here, also from the 5th generation, is our biggest printer yet, the Makerbot Replicator Z18. Again, same technology as the Mini and the new Replicator, but you have a lot more build volume on the Z18. The base plate is 12 by 12 inches, and you have 18 inches in vertical height. That's the Z axis, hence the name Z18. Not much different besides the space here, but it's great for really large jobs and things that are really complicated and you want to do in one shot. Finally, we have the Makerbot digitizer desktop 3D scanner. Not a 5th generation product, 1st generation scanner, but it also is very cool. What you have here is a turntable. You can kind of see that ticket going around, and you have 2 infrared lasers on the edge, and in the middle an infrared filter. Now what happens when you set a scan on, I mean obviously you're going to put a model on, you're going to hit start, and one laser will go. It'll stay stationary while the plate moves around. As it moves around, the laser is creating a point cloud, getting the generalization of the model on the plate. Once that's done, a second laser goes off, it does the same thing, and those 2 scans are combined. You can then send that straight to a printer, or any printer you want, or modify the file. You can even take the model, change the orientation, scan again, and then you can have both of those scans combined and get a more defined model to work with. Also, we have a Thingiverse website where it's a community-driven thing where people upload their own models. With the scanner, once you're done scanning, you can kind of slide the infrared filter over, and there's a camera there, so you can take a photo of what you scanned and upload it directly to Thingiverse so other people can share what you scanned and what you've done. That's kind of it for what we're showing at the 3D Print Show. Thanks for checking us out.